how to provide yourself with extra income and a financial safety cushion, and be sure that tomorrow will be prosperous for you and your children. Invest a portion of your monthly income in a company that has proven that it can achieve its goals and grow under any circumstances, such as Sovelmach Engineering Company. We are building a design and engineering technology bureau in Russia to develop electric engines using a unique patented technology called Slavyanka. Most of the design and technological bureau building has already been built, and you can become a co-owner of this innovative enterprise and start getting a return on your investment in the next few years. One of the main advantages of this business is the Slavyanka winding combination technology, which is used in electric motors. It makes motors much more economical, energy efficient, reliable, and cheaper to produce than all existing analogs in the world. The author of the Slavyanka technology is a Russian engineer, Dmitry Duyunov. He managed to combine two types of windings, star and delta, in one induction electric motor, while traditional motors use only one type of winding. The Slavyanka motors use up to 40% less energy than any other motors of the same dimensions. Their production requires on average 30% less copper and electrotechnical steel. Sovelmach can produce 4 combined windings motors from the same amount of raw materials that will be required for producing 3 classic electric motors. Slavyanka motors can run without repair much longer than traditional motors, even under heavy loads. There are motors with combined windings which have worked without failure for more than 20 years. And only one company in the world develops such motors. It is Sovelmach. The company's services will be in demand because they solve global environmental and economic problems. Energy consumption is growing every year, and the planet's energy resources are being depleted. Therefore, many countries are tightening the requirements for electric engines in order to save energy. But the higher the energy efficiency class of a classic motor, the larger it is and the more expensive it is to produce. What are manufacturers of engines to do under these circumstances? Completely rebuild their production, close their facility, incur losses? There is a way out. Turn to Sovelmach, a company that will develop an engine with the right characteristics and help set up its production. We are building a design and technological bureau with funds from many private investors. The Duyunov Motors project was launched in 2017, with Solar Group organizing crowd investing to implement it. Since then, more than 47,000 people from around the world have become investors and co-owners of the innovative business. With the investments attracted, the company received a number of patents, equipped a modern laboratory for testing electric motors, developed from scratch and produced the first engines with Slavyanka, became a resident of the special economic zone Technopolis, Moscow, received a plot of land and permission to build a design and engineering technology bureau, started construction at the end of 2020 and is actively continuing it now. How do you make money as an investor of the project? Now you acquire investment parts of Solar Group. The cost of parts is much lower than it will be after the completion of the project financing. The minimum investment is of $50. Later, parts will be exchanged for Sovelmach shares. You'll receive income from the company's profits in the form of dividends or from the sale of your shares, which will increase in value. You can also earn in the project here and now. To do this, become a partner of Solar Group, promote the project and receive remuneration which you can withdraw or reinvest. The project will not only be a source of income for you, but also an opportunity to support innovation and preserve the ecology of our planet. Learn how to become an investor and partner of the project Duyunov Motors on our official website.